on the M3, invalidation above the SMT.
Nope. Just getting this all set up here. Boom, 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 boom. What up? What up? Oh. Boom, 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 boom. Such a nice break. Such a nice break. What up, David? What up? What up? Oh. Dude, such good freaking plays today. I completely messed up. I played pre-market. Yeah. I'm up in all my take profit trader accounts. I'm up in all my funded Tradeify accounts. The only accounts I'm down in, I traded pre-market like a freaking boner. I basically tried, we were grinding up and I thought we would break out right here. And I got smoked, as you could see. I actually lost, I was down a ton. I mean, look, $400, $700. That's one of two. So this was a $700 loss. I was down $1,100 in this account, and now it's only down $400. This account was down $800, and this account was down $500. So I made all that back. I ended up passing two accounts, and like I said, these funded accounts are up, and then yeah. If I didn't trade pre-market, I would be freaking so green. Pre-market kills me every time, and every time I tell myself I'm not going to do it. And every time I do it. I just can't help myself. I can't help myself. Literally. Just can't do it. I don't know why. Are you guys up? What are you guys? This doesn't look great. Yo, 50 bucks is 50 bucks. You know, better than being down. Better than being down. Yo, this price action is pretty nice. I agree. I am liking the price action. I am just previous day low is right here. Previous day low. I was wondering where we were at. You think we're going to sweep the lows? Keith, you think we're going to go all the way down here? 450, 100 points down? I mean, that's 100 points. I don't know. I mean, we're right in the middle of the range right here. Break over 77. I almost bought 5. Jeez, man. I am fucking... Come on. Yes, I think so because of how the open whipsawed. I mean, I don't disagree with you that I could definitely see us dumping. I mean, this is not by any means like it feels heavy. That I will say. It feels heavy. It doesn't feel like, you know, it doesn't feel like we're going to make new highs here. I'm going to just put a thing here. We break this to the downside, I'm selling everything in my freaking portfolio. That's the line for me. Under there, I am out of everything in my portfolio. I wonder if they just, what up, F1? This doesn't look great. See this line? We break this to the downside, we're probably going to freaking dump. I want to see it happen now, though. I do not want to see it pop back up. I want to see a sell through. What up, Live and Trapping? What up? I'm just scalping. We're right at support right here. Dude, this account was down like $1,200 before. I have brought it back from the dead. Yeah. Come on. Come on. We're through the trend line. Just fucking let it go. Let it go, baby. Come on. I meant to get 45 bucks. I'm just trying to scalp. It's not the greatest setup, but it definitely is broken. It's going to come down, and I'm just going to fucking bitch that I'm not in it. Oh. There you go. How annoying is that? The worst part about it is I'm not only in it, but I know it's going to give a nice candle to the downside. And I scalp it for peanuts. Past two top step combines, calculated full porting. Time to be smart. Yo. That's nice. I'll be I think this is in favor of you, Keith. See, this is the higher time frame. This is the 15-minute chart right here. And you can see it's bearish until we flip. I want to say it's bearish until you're over 77. Maybe flip this little gap right here. This is setting up for a I feel like it's setting up for some consolidation for a little bit. I feel like we're going to chop. Got the pivot point. We're probably going to chop above. Man, this was a freaking awesome setup. Man, if I didn't trade pre-market, oh my God. Yeah, you know what it is? When I'm down, so like these accounts are up. I'm actually done with these accounts for the day. These I'll keep trading because they're evals. But when I'm down, I have more confidence in scalping for like $40 to $70 a couple times to chip away before I start with a try to get more out of it. You know, like that could have been, I mean, this could have been a $200 candle instead of make fucking $10. You know, but if I was even or up, I probably would have let it ride. I just didn't want to lose. I didn't want to go from minus 290 to minus 590. Especially that I was just minus 1,200 and now I'm down this low. We're still below this trend line, though. Here we go. Let's see. See, 65 bucks. Like I would. Also, you got to think like I only need to make like $200-300 a day, but even that. Look at that shit. Look at that. Probably go down to here. Probably go down to the 200 and I'll probably take a shot somewhere here, 41. Yeah, I get up 20 points or I get up 10 points. 10 points is 200 bucks. I'm probably out. You know, that's a nice gain, 200 bucks on one trade, especially if you're in quick. I don't trust this a whole lot, to be honest with you. If the 200 and VWAP weren't here, I would say this is a massive short. I would say this is a massive short if we weren't right here. If we get a quick bounce, I'm probably out and I'm probably looking for the short. Oh, damn, you do it 3 to 5. Yeah, geez, dude. I'm in 3 contracts. I mean, 10 points is 600 bucks. Yeah, I'm guessing you're talking minis. Yeah, I mean, without a doubt. Boom, 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 boom. This doesn't look great. I'll be honest. You're kind of getting a rounded top here. Holy shit, dude. Did you at least take the money out? Did you at least take money out? Tell me you took money out. What up, Keysone? Trading's pretty good today. I'm up. These are evals. These are all funded accounts. I passed 2 accounts. The only reason I'm down is I traded pre-market like an idiot. If I didn't trade pre-market, I would be up a ton because my accounts were down a lot. Dude, are you kidding me? Bro, I'm up 30K. I play super small. I take my money out. I slap my face with the hundreds when I get it from the bank. You're crazy, man. I'm only looking for a small little bounce here. This to me looks like a massive short, to be honest with you. Hopefully we bounce to like 42. Otherwise, massive. Probably take it all the way down here. Well, I just got fucked, but I mean, this is a lower probability trade, to be honest with you, because if you wanted to get short, you should have gotten short right by the 9. That's where you really wanted to get short. See how we're kind of riding. Once you get under the 9, you kind of ride it under. I literally got freaking stopped out at the bottom. I'm going to lessen my size. Oh shit. I'm going to lessen my size right here. I'm going to take 5 micros short. I just added. There we go. There we go. That was like $200. That was like $200. So basically, so I can just walk through the trade for you guys. I was looking for a bounce at VWAP, right? We didn't get the bounce. And I've been saying how this looks like a massive short when we were up here, right? I was just worried that you had the 200 and you got VWAP here, right? But once we bounced, I was willing to get short right under the 9, and my stop would have been over this candle, which we would have broken the 9. And then if we got over this candle, it would have been kind of like a little trend change, right? So I got short somewhere in here, and now you basically got all these algos, which I figured would happen, because if you broke under this candle, you got a bunch of stop losses under here, right? Because everybody bought and their stop loss would have been right here. So basically, this hunted all their stop losses, dropped it. I exited my short, and now the algos are going to just pick it right back up. That's how that trade worked. So I think we're going to continue lower. You got what you wanted out of it. I mean, you just got a 10-point drop, really, really nice. I would probably now sit and wait for the price action, because they picked this back up over 42. I don't like the short anymore. On the chart, you're kind of, I wouldn't keep shorting it personally. We can keep going down, obviously, but I'd want to see a better candle consolidation for me to short. If you did go short, my stop would probably be 43. So that's where you have to say, hey, I'm willing to let it go to 43. At this point, 43 is 18 points away. I just think there's not enough. The stop loss is becoming too great. We also just sold off all of this. So, can we keep going down? Yeah, but I just don't think there's that much meat on the bone. What up, Ace? I don't know exactly why they use PD array. It's basically the bottoms. It's the bottom. It's the bottom. I'll look up what PD array actually means. PD. Stands for premium and discount arrangement. It's used to determine trade entry points for the ICT way. I just kind of see it as a lot of times we bounce because it's the bottom. you basically get a double bottom. Yo, Ace, it's going really good. These are all my take profit trader accounts. They're all up. These are all my funded accounts from Tradeify. They're all up. And I passed 2 accounts, and these are only down. I traded pre-market. They were down massive. I took this account from I think it was like 1,200 down to only 134. Yeah, I mean, listen, I don't sit here telling you that I know all the terms and everything, but if I'm short, usually I am taking profit close to here because it is the bottom. I'm not going to sit in a short because most likely you will get a bounce. The terminology doesn't mean anything to me. You just got to know what it actually means for the chart. And that is support a lot of the times. And that's all you really need to know. This was a nice, I'm not even going to say like this was a great setup, to be honest with you. This was the setup. Because what you got here is you got this ramp up. We sold off, and then the next candle was up, but you got a lower high. So once you get a lower high and we break below, you take that short and your stop would be right up here. And then sure enough, we sold off like a beast. Yeah, this was, see how you had this set up? I mean, it was really nice for a short. All I had to do was hold that too. All we had to do is hold this. That's why I keep the 34 on the chart. It just, you could see the rollover. All right, I'm going to switch gears here to 34. So this is the sweep right here. We just swept the lows of, this is the 5-minute, 15, and hourly orb right here. We're basically sweeping the lows. If we hold 500, I'm actually going to get in here with doing half size. If we get back over 504, I'll add, and we get over, what the fuck is this? 510, I'll add. So I'm really only in a third right now. Let's see what we get. What you want to do is you want to get back inside the orb. Have you taken payouts with the new evals? Give Apex a shot. I have not with the new rules. Actually, you just reminded me. Fuck, you just reminded me to fire up my fucking personal account, actually. I have an AMP account that I trade with my real money. I meant to fire that up right now. I would probably take this, close over this candle. I'm probably going to take it if I can get my quant tower up in time. Oh, just start the freaking thing up. The real key is right here. Nope, they're going to stop me out. Null and void. Fuck me, man. Get this account up. I actually like the setup, to be honest with you. Well, we're getting the low. We're not even at the lows of the pre-market. All right, cool. Just fired up. We're still close enough that if we get over 507, 508, I will take this with my personal account. Hey, man, if you're short, I hope it goes to 480. I hope you get 480, man. I want to see everybody make money. It's hard for me to short down here. I mean, we just went down 110 points. Oh, I gotta set up my fucking stop loss and stuff. Oh no, don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Take profit. Take profit. 80 ticks. All right, got some of it back. We're right at, this is the orb right here. The orb is at 506. That's right where I took profit, because if we can't get over that, I'm out. Just a practice trade, but I'm still holding that short up at 535. Yeah, I mean, this is the telltale right here. It's the battleground. You want to see this. If you're long, you want to see this close over 510. You know, you want to see us get over this candle right there and close. So what is that? 510. If we don't close over 510, that was freaking nice. That was nice. Let me see. Oh, I missed some of the action. I didn't get in as good because I couldn't fucking get this account up. This might just rip it back up. I would say the target's probably like 33. Yo, what up, Speed Racer? It's got to hold here. This is the line in the sand that we had to get over. And the fact that it's the exact line. Nope, giving it all back up. Giving it all back up. 506. What up, Nizam? What up, what up? Come on, baby. Damn, they just fucking don't want to let it go. Thanks, Nizam. I wish you success too, man. Man, I can't get out of my way down here. It doesn't look good. See, on the 15, you have a nice, this is the 15 right here, right? You got a nice green hammer right here. I guess I would say I would want the next 15-minute candle. Oh, they just fucking, to go over 516 and it would look like a reversal. Rough morning for you, Ray? What happened? What happened, Ray? My 1-for-1 streak is over. Ugh. Yeah, it happens. I mean, who's going to go 1-for-1 every single time? Were you playing big? I bet you were playing big, though. I guarantee you were playing big. How big were you playing, Ray? I mean, 1-for-2 is amazing. What up, Pelusa? Any options trades today? Jeez. Jeez, Racer. What did I do today? All I did was cover my MDB put. That's it. I'm down $1,200 today in options. Yo, what up, CT? What up, John? Dude, you just got your 480. You just got 480 right there. I mean, basically, we just round tripped it from this liftoff at 5 a.m. Bought puts? Yo, what'd you buy? I covered MDB for 100. See, this is why I like options. I'll just show you. MDB went really against me, right? It dumped Kisan. It dumped and I still made money. So think about, that's how, I don't want to say easy, but it dumped and I still made money. That's why earnings are so great to play options, because the juice just gets sucked out. Cart and DAL. Is Cart Instacart? I mean, it says Maple Bear, but is that Instacart? I don't know what Maple Bear does. This was the short of shorts. We were freaking talking about it while we were. Dude, that was a nice play, Keith. That was very nice. Well, I mean, yeah, you know, yeah, if you picked up a bad strike, but I feel like, I don't know. I feel like I give myself enough discount that, you know, I made too much consistent money doing it to say that it's, you know, I just make too much consistent money doing it. It's not for everybody, but pays the doctors, boy. I love that fucking commercial. Pays the doctors, boy. This thing looks weak as shit. I wonder if they bring it back up to like 504 and dump it. Yo, yo, yo. When short, we were talking about shorts right up here. You can see I drew this trend line. I shorted right here. And then I was talking about it again right here on how bad it fucking looks and how bad it looks here too. And then I was short here, didn't hold it all, but we kind of shorted it. Ever since this break, we were kind of talking shorts the majority of the time on this leg down. It's just we're getting so far. I mean, it's going to have some type of bounce at some point. I think right now, I think you got to wait. There's not always a trade to be in. There's some guys that only make one trade a day. You know, there's, you know, they'll find a setup like this that I was in and like they'll just ride this longer than me and they're just done for the day and they copy trade and then they don't, that's it. You just one trade a day. Should have held your first short. I know, man. Believe me, Intrepid, this is what I go through all the time. That's why I always say that there's somebody in this chat right now who doesn't type in the chat at all. They just watch and they're making more money than me on my plays because they're holding longer. I'm telling you that there's somebody in here that's doing that. And I it's all awesome for them. I want them to do it. But yeah, there's someone definitely that's holding and they're making money. What up, Trader Fan? I'm done with these. These are those funded accounts. I'm done. Got the short. I was in it. I know, Kisan. I know. Believe me. Man, if they bring this back over 500, five 515. I'm only taking a small position here. This is freaking tiny. But I'm willing to add because if they do bring it over 517, I could see them bringing it back up into this zone. 1 to 3 micros. I'll do that. Intrepid, I'll be honest with you, man. I do it because I enjoy hanging out with everybody. I've been doing this since 2007, 2008. I started doing this. I traded for years as my only source of income. And then and then here I am now. I just started doing futures not too long ago. Futures is actually more new to me than anything. You know, I make my bread and butter in the option stock land. Yeah, trading is lonely. That's why I enjoy just hanging out with you guys. This is gonna go fucking down. Dude, they are not fucking playing around today. I might hold this. Here, you want to see me hold? Let's see what happens. This fucking always happens when I hold. Yeah, trading's lonely. So I had a room I used to trade in back in the day. Loved trading in it. It was only like, I'll just call it less than 20 people in it. And I enjoyed it. I only started streaming in June. I want to say June I started streaming. Yeah, because I went away for a wedding, and when I got back, I started streaming. Nah, this is fucking. This is going for it. Yeah. I mean, this is bullish. Fuck me, man. Yeah, no, I mean, that's what it's about. It's about hanging out, having fun, talking the shit. Um, so here's my thing. If they can get this back, come on. My stop is actually going to be lower day. Not well, it's not lower day, but you know what I'm saying. Dude, why am I getting so many text messages? Come on. Back up. Hold to the moon. Man, if we can get over 517, that would be freaking amazing. So if you have five, so basically this is the bigger time frame. You know, basically you would clear this hammer, and that would be pretty bullish. You'd probably target 540. That would probably be what my target would be, is 540. Come on. Nope. You know what's crazy? I'm just gonna pull this over to the so you can see. This right here is the 15-minute and the hourly orb. This blue line, you can see we traded right back to it. It can't get over it. It just this is I would say the pretty big. Oh, well, there we go. It's got to close over it. You really want to go over here. Or 516 really brings us home. 516, I mean, the 200's all the way at 529. Come on. I feel it's short unless it overcomes. Yeah, I mean, this is going to be the area. I imagine you'll get a massive algo candle if we go over 516. I mean, that was a big hurdle right here. Got to stay above. If we do get that algo candle up, I'll probably get out. Come on. You can do it. Ever since I put this one on the main screen, we've been going up, so I don't want to remove this chart off the screen. It's kind of like good luck, I guess, but we'll see. That's not good. It just can't hold over it. Fuck, man. Yeah, I mean that you would have had freaking massive gains. I would have exited this trade at least 10 times. Yeah. I don't even know if I'm up or not. Let me see. Pop over here. I just feel like if we get a good pop, I just reduce the size. I just put a stop in. I just feel like if we come down here, it's probably going to fucking dump. Yeah, pretty much. That's pretty much where I got out. You're getting oversold right here. See how we're getting oversold? I don't like that it can't stay above the hourly orb. I don't like that it can't. It just feels like it gives it up every time. This is going to be a little bounce. Watch this. It's going to be a bounce up to here, and then it's going to roll over. Let's see. I'm contemplating shorting this with a tight freaking stop. Tight stop if I do. That's bullish. Fuck, man. Tight stop. Like I said, super tight. That is bullish, though. Freaking bullish candle just engulfed that. I'll take that scalp. Jeez. I mean, this whole area is resistance. If you stay in the short, you're up even more. Ah, man. That was such a good idea. Such a good. Jeez. Glad I took baby gains. Dude, that was such a good short. Oh, fuck. It's going to go lower. They're just going to wash this out. This is going to be risky as fuck right here. I'm just looking for a continuation. Come on, wash it out real quick. Real quick. I'm just looking for a scalp here. Give me like $50. 50. There we go. What did I get? 45. Oh, here comes the watt. Look at that. Yo, we had it. I had it up here. I would say that this is the low, 436. I would say that we are, this is the previous day low. This area is the place I would look for a bounce at least. But yeah, if we break under probably 61, you're probably going to go all the way down there. More speed? I mean, I wouldn't be looking to get into a short right here. Man, that was freaking nice. You know, like I'm not looking to long this here. All right, so see what we just got there? We just swept the lows with an algo candle. That's interesting. That's interesting. I would like to see him go all the way down to 430, whatever we were talking about. It's probably where I would play it long. But the fact that it did make a low right there on an algo, like an algo candle, it almost sucks me in for a buy, and the stop would be 66. I mean, there we go. 45 bucks. Risky as fuck. That flash of the algo kind of made me believe that they're going to bounce it at least 5-10 points. You know, can it continue lower? Without a doubt. that's a good spot for a quick flip. You want the flush? Yo, what up, Corey? Yeah, I'm back, baby. I'm back from Miami. Dude, freaking. I wish I could sleep all day to catch up. What up, Bull Breakers? What up, what up? Fuck it. I'll join the flush party. Just flush it. Quick scout. To me, like the move would have been the move would have to short it where I fucking shorted it, which was literally 47 points ago. You know, now I'm just scalping. This was the freaking play. I told myself the stop would have been 512, and I fucking just don't hold. I just don't hold it. I don't know why. What up? What if? You're not really getting like you're getting that grind. Like you got that grind here. You're getting this grind down. I think it has a magnet to 436. What up, caveman? $436 is previous day low. If we kind of sweep that, and then if we sweep that to like 428 and then pop back over, I'm long. I mean, just sitting here waiting. Price action has been pretty good today, though. Come on, like 20, what is it? 22 more points down. You could do it, man. You could do it. Oh, the weekly low? Oh, my freaking eyes. I'm just waiting and waiting. You could do it, Joe. You could do it, Joe. We did it. We did it, Joe.
did it. We did it, Joe.
Yeah, that'd be a nice target, Trader Fan. We hit that and then sweep it back up. That would literally be, that would be a really nice setup. I would be in the hammer in that. Boom, 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 boom. Man, I wonder if I got lunch in this house. This is looking pretty shitty. Come on. Come on. Can't close above the 9. Bring it down to daddy. Watch, I'm not going to scalp this, and I'm going to get fucked somehow. Told you. I should have sold for 30, 40, 50 bucks. I'm not going to do it. I'm not fucking leaving. Come on. Come on. Give me like... Oh, makes me want to just fucking take some gains here. Oh, what do I want to do? See, look, I don't take my 40, 50 bucks, and now I'm down. This is why I scalp all the time. Oh, shit. Oh, baby, 200 bucks.
We did it. We did it,
Joe. Dude, that's a dirty ass wick. I can tell you that. Ooh, that's dirty. Yo, that caught somebody short right there. Somebody got short on that wick and just got... Oh, they're giving it back. They're giving it back to you. Dude, I mean, we're starting to get close. We're definitely getting close, guys. I mean, I don't know if I would keep staying in short. That's going to be iffy. That's iffy. Iffy McIfferson. I can't believe we could have just freaking held this. We could have held this and been done for the day. Yo, hold on one second. There's somebody at my front door. Hold on one second. Holy shnikes. Get into the bottom. Yo, it's just grinding lower there. I'm doing, yo, Ray, I fucked up today. Uh-oh, what'd you do, man? Not pull out? Stay in the trade too long, I meant? Dude, we're getting close. 436 is the low. How am I doing? I'm doing good, man. I got these accounts up. These accounts were down massive, and I'm working them back. Oh, that's the worst. The first day. Intrepid, I mean, we were short. We were talking shorts up here. And then I was talking shorts up here. I mean, you could see. I mean, I've done nothing but fuck this whole thing up. I played this so bad. When in doubt, pull out. I mean, we could have held this whole way. It wasn't even like we weren't in or didn't see it. All talk, no action. Tell me about it. Hey, man, I just know I messed up. Like G.I. Joe said, knowing's half the battle. So stupid how I just don't fucking hold. I mean, you could see like the entries. I got in at the bottom here and I don't hold that. You know, we're shorting up here, not holding. We're shorting up here, not holding. I mean, this looks like we're going lower. You want 100 points? Got to go to the Diamond Hand Academy. Yo, I got toilet paper hands. That's what I got. Toilet paper hands. I want to say I get really good entries a lot of times, and I just don't hold. I just don't hold. And the same thing with, like, you know what's crazy is the same thing with options. Like, I'll get in something and like I'm out, and then I know some other traders that take the same trade as I do, and they just fucking hold. And I'm like, Jesus. Like, I was in something the other day. I was in TSM. I got like 70% on my options. This other person got 400 and something percent. I'm like, how did you hold that? And obviously they say, you know, the chart still shows it's going to go up. Crazy, crazy land. This looks bad. Just give us 36, 35, and then bounce it. Yeah, I like scalping, but I am moving away from. I need to start holding. Yeah. Something like that, caveman. I gotta do something like that. Oh, you know, dude, you just reminded me. I have to trade my Bullnox accounts. I have not traded them, and they need to get a trade in them. I haven't, because I was away. I need to make sure I get trades in there. This does not look good. I mean, this looks like another bear flag breaking to the downside. It's going to break. It's going to invalidate. If it invalidates the bear flag, that would be interesting. It's kind of what you're getting. Bear flag invalidation and just fucking rip it. I take 90 bucks. Watch this though. I'm just going to put a stop loss at low a day. I just have this feeling it's going to keep going. Do not follow. I'm just, you know. The mental strength of just holding it is just so true. All right, so I got $135 in my Bullnox fund, one of my Bullnox funded accounts. Let me trade my other Bullnox funded account. I'm just trying to get some trades into I don't know how many days you've got to go between trades, but I don't want to lose the account because of inactivity. That would be freaking ridiculous. Five trading days? Oh, dude, I just got in because I traded them Tuesday, and then I went Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Monday. I'm almost, yeah, I probably would have lost them, I guess. If I didn't trade them today, I probably would have lost it. Oh, just pump this thing. All right, I got 200 bucks back in that account. Yeah, I got two funded accounts with Bullnox. They're not, I just got them, so they haven't really progressed anywhere yet. They're a little over 50,000. That's where I'm at. 50,000, 50, you know. Is this going to just launch it? Just launch one up. No. Maybe yes, maybe no. No. Coming back down. $4.78 would be the line that I would be looking for. $4.78 would be fucking nice. Let's see what we got here. This is what it looks like on the bigger time frames. Kind of got it. It would definitely signify a trend change. It would be the first higher high that you really got. You know. I don't know if it's going to pop. I mean, this is just an eval. I'm not really sweating this. Dude, my brothers are so mad at crypto right now. It's fucking hysterical. Anybody know why Bitcoin's down today, though? What the deal is? Anybody? I don't actually know. I don't really follow crypto. What up, Powell? What up? What up? Oh, I got my orders in, and I'm just all-time highs. Oh, you think it's just a pullback? Just a technical pullback on crypto? Hey, man, lock it out, you know? You definitely don't have to keep trading, you know? Definitely do not have to keep trading. People don't realize that. Like, they don't realize you can walk away. Oh, yeah, I would be done too. Up 730 and 5 funded accounts. Yeah, I would be I'd be out. There's no reason to keep going at that point. I mean, obviously you could make more, but that's, I guess if you wanted to keep trading, you basically lock 4 of them and then you just trade 1. Come on. Break 78 here. Break it. Break 78 and fucking algo candle. That was nice. I hate it when you've made a decent day, but it's less points that your normal stop loss. What up, Peter Canale? What do you mean? Like you're only up like 200 instead of like 400 or something like that? Yeah, I mean, hey, the good news is you don't like you could just sit and wait for a good trade, man. Like oh geez. You know, you don't have to trade. You know, you just kind of wait for the setups. That's what's being great about being up a lot to me is you can just sit there and you don't have to push it because you're not down a bunch. You know, if you were down, I feel like you push it. But when you're not down, I can easily sit there and just wait. What up, Rob? Bro, every time I see Tennessee Rob, I think about Jack Daniels. I'm guessing, do you drink Jack, Rob? Oh, you quit years ago? Yeah, I don't drink Jack, but it says Tennessee on the bottle. And that's every time I see Tennessee Rob, I think Jack Daniels because of the bottle. I'm not I'm not like a big drinker personally. Ah, I'm going to let this move around. Yo, Joseph. Yo, I'm speculating on a rotation to the high of day rest of session. If it clears 21. Oh, you think it's going to go all the way back up to the high of day? It could. It could definitely trend change. I mean, if you look at it, he definitely broke over, 478. Keystone, if I had to pick which one, I would say that I would be a bull and my stop would be like, my stop would probably be low a day. Or if it goes under, but that's like, I picked up 3 micros. So I'm going to hold, this is my stop, is 459 on 3 micros. So we'll see what happens. You guys want to see me hold? This is my hold. I haven't been accepted into the wealth charts thing yet, so I don't know if I'm going to get in. flip this little. Yeah, I was around. I need to link in with you, co-trader, on some options trading. Dude, I got a whole channel that people don't realize, a whole different channel. I did a, here, I'm going to send you 2 links, Rob, actually. And I'm an open book, by the way. Like, you can ask me any questions you want. Actually, I did a live. I'll find it for you, though. I did a Saturday morning live with everybody about the basics. Dude, when did I do this? Oh, here we go. This was like a basics. 5%, Rob. They only give you 5%, and I think you got to use the plaid option. The reach around stretch eagle spread. Yo. They did that really fucking stop me out at the very bottom? Fucking so stupid. I'm moving my stop up to 69 right here. Yeah, that was the live. I also have, I promised myself I would update it more. I'm going to update it today. To the VWAP. I have like an options basics on there that's like 20 minutes long. You know, I mostly sell puts, and worst case scenario, I get stuck with the stock, but I don't mind owning the stock. I only do it on companies that I don't mind owning. So that's typically how I do it. Dude, PLTR is just freaking ridiculous. There's always the next one, Rob. Always the next one. You know, don't have to, you know, you don't have to catch every big move. And what's crazy is I had a boat ton of PLTR options at like $31. I could have made a ton of money and did not. So it is what it is. You just got to keep moving to the stuff that's good, you know? There's always another opportunity somewhere. Yeah, I mean, base hits is definitely going to pay you out more often than anything else. Come on. I haven't called. Oh, yeah. Zim. Zim was the transportation company. By the way, is it much easier doing taxes on futures trading? I do not know. I don't do my own taxes. I most definitely do not do my own taxes. Keep it fucking going. Keep it going. So my funded futures will probably be the easiest way to get your first payout with a prop firm. If you've never gotten paid out, my funded futures is the easiest. I would say that. And I would use the starter one, Rob. It's the least expensive one. I don't want to see you buying, if, being that you're not getting payouts, like I wouldn't go and pay for the most expensive one. Just keeping it real with you. That's what I would say to anybody that, just getting into it. Plaid, the plaid option, the bank option. Dude, I wouldn't either, Rob. I tell everybody. I have starter accounts. So how can I have starter accounts and tell you to do anything else? There are people that like the other ones, and I tell everybody use whatever one you like. I think it's 5%. They all do 5%. Take profit trader is easier in your opinion? Yeah, I mean, I get, you'd only have to get to like $50,700 for a payout with my funded futures. Wait, Joseph, just wait until you got your setup, man. You don't have to jump the gun because I'm in it. You know what I mean? Like you trade you, man. I was literally just going to take some off here too. Fucking, I did not, obviously. Ugh. Yo, my funded futures doesn't have a $2,600 buffer. No, it's, they just do this. Oh man. At least I made on most of the accounts on this one and this one, but fuck. Oh, fuck me. I didn't take, I didn't hit the fucking button. When I was clearing out all these accounts, I did not hit the button on this account. Fuck me. See, this is the problem with trading multiple accounts. It's hard to manage all these different accounts. You know. Dude, on that note, I'm going to go eat something. I'm going to be back in an hour. I'll be back at 2 p.m. So hour and 45 minutes. I'm going to be back. I got to go eat something, though, because I am starving. Starving. It's lunchtime, and I need to grab some food. I'll be back at 2 p.m. for anybody that wants to come back. We'll do the free account giveaway later on today also. And don't get caught in anything. That actually looked really good. That looked really good. Keith, my funded futures, once you have a funded account, it's 5 days of $100 or more, and you can withdraw money. Go eat a burrito? I'm going to go look to see what I got. I'd love a burrito, man. I'll eat Mexican food every day. Dude, this is just dirty. Holy shit. I'll see you in an hour and 45 minutes. Taco Bell for lunch and tacos for dinner. Taco Bell's good. I like Chipotle more, though. All right. Peace.